Hi, I'm Katie with Garden Gate Magazine, and today I've got a great tip for refilling those bird feeders. All you're gonna need is a plastic milk jug, either a half gallon or a full gallon size will work great, and make sure to keep that lid. Give it a rinse, let it dry, and then we're gonna come in here, and I've pre-marked this already on where I wanna make the cut to make this scoop. So I can just use a permanent marker there, and then take a box cutter or a pair of scissors, and I've got one already pre-made here. As you can see, I left this side long and left the handle here so we can make our little scoop. And so I'm just gonna take my bag of birdseed and I'm gonna go ahead and get my scoop here. It's great, you can even walk outside with this. And you can either use this scoop, you can just pour in the top. I do still spill a little bit that way, or you can come in here and just pop the top off. And this half gallon size is actually perfect for these tube feeders. So don't forget, you can submit your tips to Garden Gate Magazine, and if we use it in print, we'll give you $50. And go to gardengatemagazine.com/share.